Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav, and today we're going to be making stuffed pickled cabbage rolls, which is called Sarma. As much as this recipe seems complicated, I have to say it's not so much. Maybe because I grew up eating it, and first time I made it, it was 20 years ago. You're going to need 20 to 25 pickled cabbage leaves, 2 to 3 large onions, 600 grams, 1 cup oil, 1 tablespoon paprika, 2 tablespoons garlic, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 tablespoon salt, 3.5 pounds ground beef, 1 cup rice, 3 eggs, and about 10 slices or 450 grams of bacon. Cut up bacon in very small pieces. Also cut up onions in very small pieces. Start cooking bacon until it's golden brown. Add 1 cup of oil. And then add all your chopped up onions. Add 2 tablespoons of garlic. Mix it well. Add 1 tablespoon of paprika. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. One teaspoon pepper. After everything is golden brown, add 3.5 pounds of ground beef. Ground beef, it just needs to be mixed well. You really don't have to cook it all the way through. After it's all mixed, just set it on the side and let it cool down a little bit. Add 1 cup of rice. After rice is mixed in, add 3 eggs. Before you start rolling your cabbage, make sure the vein of the leaves are cut off. Lay the leaf in the palm of your hand and then with the spoon start filling it up. Roll the sides from right to left, and then from the bottom try to make it as tight as possible. Roll it up, and there it is. Just one more time. So lay it in the palm of your hand, fill it up with a spoon, roll the sides, and then from the bottom, as tight as you can, start rolling it up. After you finish rolling up all the cabbage leaves, it's time to start making a sauce. For sauce, you're gonna need 1/2 cup oil, 1.5 tablespoon flour, 1 tablespoon paprika, 8 ounces tomato paste, 4 cups water, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon pepper. Start with a half a cup oil and let it get hot before you add flour. Add a tablespoon of paprika, tablespoon of sugar, tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon pepper. Add 4 cups of water. Add 8 ounces of tomato paste. After approximately 10 minutes of cooking, it will become like a thick soup. Depends on the size of your dish. You might not have enough sauce to cover it, so just add water and make sure it's topped off over the cabbage. Preheat your oven on 360 degrees. Cover the dish with foil. Cook it for 2.5 hours inside your oven. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.